Hey guys, welcome to Epic Tech. It's me Vaishak today, and today we're going to be unboxing the brand new K20 Pro. So let's begin. So this is a box, and here there's a variant 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and here the sticker that states India's #1, and here it's written K20 Pro by Xiaomi. The same goes here, and here there is a processor Snapdragon 855, 48 MPa triple camera, 20 MP pop-up, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with AMOLED display. And here are all the contents, so you can see that. So the color is glacier blue, so let's tear the seal. So let me keep this aside, and this is a box in which we get the case. Hopefully Xiaomi includes a good case this time. So the case is pretty good, and here is the branding REDMI, designed by Xiaomi, and it's pretty good. It has a rubberized feeling here. And what else do we get here? This is the instruction manual and some paperwork, and this is the phone. It looks really gorgeous, so let me keep this aside. And this is the 18-watt fast charging. Actually this phone supports 27-watt, but Xiaomi included a 18-watt. So let's see the rating here. It's 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere, and 13 volt 1.5. Okay, so this is the USB cable, which is USB A to Type C. So let's boot up the phone now. So let me remove the sticker now. So this is the first boot. So here it's coming Redmi by Xiaomi, and now it's loading. Actually the Xiaomi setup process is really long, so let me select India, and India, skip for now. So now I'll set up the fingerprint. First I have to add the pattern. So Xiaomi makes us read everything. Got it. Now let me put the pattern, and okay, confirm. So got it. Now I'll add the in-display fingerprint scanner. So it's registering my finger now. Yes, it's done. So now additional settings, blah blah blah. Setup complete. Now it will take some time to load. So the phone is set up now, guys. So now actually see the design. It's like too good. Like you can see all sorts of color here: green, blue, dark blue, black. And here there is Redmi, designed by Xiaomi. So yeah, that's good. And it has an AMOLED display, so it's pretty good. And let's see what it runs on. So about phone, and it runs on Android Pie. So it runs on Android Pie based on MIUI 10. So yeah, that's it. And Paytm comes pre-installed in this. So now let me open the camera. Okay, and this is the 1x zoom, so 2x, and 0.5. Okay, this is ultra wide camera. So let's see the slow motion. So the slow motion is 960 fps. Now it's 120 fps, and now it's 240 fps. Okay, so let's see what in all video it supports, the formats. So the format is 4K 30, 4K 60, 1080p 30, 1080p 60, and 720p 30. Okay, that's pretty good. So let's go 48 MP. Okay, it's pretty good. And now let's see the front camera, the pop-up camera, which we have been waiting for. Wow, it's pretty good. And it has this light here, so I don't know if you guys can see it. See, so it's pretty cool. And here is a notification light. It doubles as a notification light too. And it is all-time favorite, our headphone jack. And Xiaomi claims that there is a good DAC here which supports high-res audio and all. And I really liked the holographic thing here, which is pretty good. You know, it changes all sorts of color like a rainbow. It adds a good, and yeah, and one more thing, the power button is pretty good here. Like, they added a power button in red color and the whole frame is like blue. And yeah, one more thing, the frame material is aluminum 6000, I guess. Yeah, and that series of aluminum is used in iPhone 6, so that's pretty good. So now let me try the in display fingerprint. Wow, that was pretty fast, guys, seriously. See, so yeah, so now let me add my face. So now that I have added my face, I can unlock with my face. Let me see that, 1 minute. Okay, so that's not pretty fast, but yeah, it's good. So this is an in display fingerprint. Okay, that's pretty fast. So now in the end of the video, I'll add some camera samples from this phone, so you'll have an idea how good the camera is. So to be honest, the pricing is pretty good. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please like the video and please do subscribe the channel for interesting videos. I have a the sonic charger for this, the 27-watt one, so I'll be testing it in my next video, the battery test, train test, camera test, everything. So like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, see you next time.
So this is the HDR off. Next will be the HDR on photo. HDR on. So it's pretty good. The comparison between them. Night mode off. And this is the night mode on. And now this is the comparison between them. The night mode on. And this is with the night mode off. So here is the comparison between them. So this is the ultra wide camera. This is the normal camera. And this is the telephoto lens. And now you can see the comparison between all three. This photo is shot on the telephoto lens are 48 megapixel. So 48 megapixel, and you can just see the detail of this.